A vineyard owner in Napa Valley, California was losing $200,000 a year. Rodents were eating his crop from underground. Poison wasn't working. So he spent $50 on a wooden box, mounted it on a post, and waited. A barn owl moved in. It looks decorative, but biologically, barn owls are the most efficient aerial predators on the planet. Specialized feathers eliminate all flight noise. The rodent doesn't hear it, doesn't see it, just gets taken. One barn owl family consumes over 3,000 rodents per year. By the second season, crop damage dropped 90%. A $50 box protecting a $200,000 harvest. No chemicals, no labor, no monthly contract. The smartest investment in agriculture. Or the laziest.